Hello students, welcome to your computer class. So today I am going to start your chapter 2 and this chapter name is Windows 7. So before starting it, I will tell you, I want to remind you something that about hardware and software. So in the previous class I already told you what is a hardware. Hardware means the devices of a computer that we can touch. Whatever computer devices are there like a monitor, keyboard, UPS, mouse, these all devices are hardware because we can see or we can touch this device. Now I will show you in the lab also. And software means what? Software is an application that we install to a computer. Okay. Software, without software we cannot run a computer, we cannot use a computer. The software is the main part of a computer, and after installing it only we can properly use a computer. Without software a computer is like a dead, okay, a dead body. Like how in our body, if we have light then we can do anything, and without light we called as a dead. The same way the software is also a life of a computer. So you can see here first you this get set exercise, right? As for hardware and as for software. So this is you do yourself. That when I told you what we can touch, that will be hardware, and what we can't touch, that will be software. So you read it and you do yourself. Now we will come through this chapter. Chapter name is Windows 7. So Windows 7 is what? It is a operating system. So these software are divided in some parts or in some kind, and the one kind is what, or part is what? Operating system. Operating system means the application of a computer or the processing part of a computer what we install in a CPU, okay, by a disk or by a pen drive, or we can download also. So this operating system help us to do several activities, and what it usually do, it run the computer and it share information between other devices like keyboard, mouse, between these devices, okay. So this is the main connector or the main part that connect all the devices to a computer, okay. So now I will show you about this Windows 7 in the lab. So just wait for it. Okay student, now you can see me in the lab. So now I will show you about Windows 7. This is the operating system of this computer, that is what, Windows 7, and this icon we can see in this Windows 7. The same picture you can see in your page number 10, and if you go through your book, okay, so you can learn more, and it is very easy to understand also. Now see, I will show you the part of this Windows 7. So you can see in the book desktop icon. That means desktop means what? This part, this monitor screen, we can say it as a desktop. Okay, so this is a desktop, and now desktop icon means what? Icon means this application. This application what are showing here, like this network, computer, control panel, recycle bin, again Microsoft Word, libraries. These are what? Applications. And these applications are called, what showing is here called icon, okay. Desktop icon are there. These are the desktop icon. Again start menu. What is the start menu? Here this same picture you can see. So this is called start menu here. See here start menu. Again task bar. So task bar means this down on this line. This is called task bar. Here also, in this corner you can see date, timing, and notification bar. Again this side we can see other icons, libraries and other shortcut icons. Now file and folder. What is a file and folder? File means in a file we can store our data, and folder means here I will put one file here. See, see here. Now I will click here one. First I will now going to create a folder. See, this is the folder. Now we can write our name here. And now file is what? If we are writing in a Microsoft Word or we are doing any other work, and we have to save this document will convert into a file. Okay, and folder means what? It is a container of a file. Folder is like a big bag, and file is like a any item that we keep inside this bag. Okay, this is the folder and file. Here, see, you can see here also file icon, and file is a very small inside and very small item of a document what we have saved in our desktop or in our libraries. Okay, so dear student, now how to create a file and how to save or how to create a folder, about this I will teach you in the next class. And till here you go through your book, you do study, and this remaining part I will tell you in the next class. And here I want to show you recycle bin, and this recycle bin is called the dustbin of a computer, because whatever item what we delete, the all item store here. Okay, the all deleted item we can see here. That means the all item store here, and later again we can restore the item to our computer desktop. That's why it is called the recycle bin. It is a how it act like a dustbin. Okay, student. So in the next class I will teach you the remaining part of this chapter. So till then, take care of your health and have a good day. Thank you.